Here's something that doesn't get talked about enough. The fastest way to lose a customer is not a slow checkout. It isn't a clunky design. It's selling something you don't actually have. They place the order, they wait, and then they get the email saying, sorry, out of stock. And just like that, you've turned a sale into a refund and a buyer into someone who won't come back. Most stores don't hit this because they're careless. They hit it because their inventory system is basically just one number sitting in the background. No history, no visibility, no idea what changed or when. You're guessing, and you only realize it when something breaks. That's exactly what FluentCart's latest update is built to fix. So, in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through both sides of it: the built-in stock management that comes with FluentCart, and the new advanced inventory feature in FluentCart Pro that adds proper tracking and control. Before we touch anything advanced, let's start with the basics, because advanced inventory doesn't replace the default system, it builds on top of it. So head into your FluentCart dashboard, go to Settings, and open Features and Add-on. The first option you want is Stock Management. Toggle it on. This is the free built-in option, and for a lot of stores, it's generally all you need. You set a quantity per product or per variant, FluentCart tracks it, and when stock hits zero, the product stops selling. Now open any product, scroll to the inventory section, and set your stock quantity. All right, now save the product. From this point on, FluentCart reduces stock automatically every time an order is placed. If your product has variations like size or color, you can manage stock separately for each one. So instead of tracking one overall number, you're tracking it at a more detailed level. For many stores, this is enough. But here's the limitation: you can see what your stock is, but not how it got there. That's where advanced inventory comes in. To enable it, go back to Features and Add-on. Right under Stock Management, you'll see a checkbox that says Enable Advanced Inventory. All right, tick it. Save your settings, and you're ready. This is a pro feature, so you'll need FluentCart Proactive for the option to appear. Once it's on, you'll notice a new inventory section in your admin sidebar. Open it up, and this is your new workspace. At the top, you've got filter tabs, all, low stock, and out of stock. So finding what needs attention takes one click instead of scrolling through your whole catalog. Now, here's where the real upgrade lives. Select the products or variants you want to update, and click Update Stocks in the top right. A modal opens, and you've got two options: increase stock, which adds to what's already there, or set exact stock, which overwrites it with a specific number. Pick the one you need, enter your amount, and you'll see a preview of every variant that's about to change. Then comes the part that makes the whole feature work: the reason dropdown. Pick a reason for the change. Add a note if you want extra context. Click Update Stocks, and FluentCart applies the change across everything you selected. This is especially useful when you're restocking after a supplier delivery, correcting a miscount, or moving inventory between locations. Instead of overwriting numbers with no explanation, every change carries context. Every one of those updates gets recorded in a stock adjustment history log. Open any product's inventory view, and you'll see the timeline. Each entry shows the previous stock, the new stock, the exact change amount, the reason, the timestamp, and the user who made it. So, if stock looks wrong on a Monday morning, you don't have to guess. Say a variant shows 10 units when you were expecting 25. You open the history, and right there is the entry: who adjusted it, when, and why. The mystery becomes a one-click answer. That's the difference between hoping your inventory is right and knowing it is. One important thing to understand is turning on advanced inventory doesn't change how your store behaves. Your products still sell the same way. Stock still reduces automatically. Nothing breaks. You're just adding a layer of visibility and control on top of what's already working. That's why the setup is 2 steps instead of 1. Stock management first, advanced inventory on top of it. To recap, pick your variants, set stock once, and every change gets tracked with a reason and full history. Inventory may not be an exciting part of running a store, but it's the part your customers feel the most when something goes wrong. Every accurate order builds trust. Every missed one breaks it. What FluentCart has done here is simple but very important. It takes inventory from something you check to something you can actually understand. If you're already using FluentCart, update and try this out. And if you've ever looked at your stock and thought something doesn't add up, subscribe to WPManageNinja because the next one in this release series might save you again. I'll see you in the next one.